On Saturday, heavy snowstorms heavily impacted northwest China's Xinjiang Uygur Autonomous Region, particularly the Kanas scenic area in Altay Prefecture and Kazakh Autonomous Prefecture. Starting early, heavy snow blanketed homes, roads and infrastructure, with traffic police managing key intersections and using patrol vehicles to escort tourists safely out of the area. By 15, traffic control measures were implemented on roads leading to the scenic area. In the Ili region, persistent snowfall since Friday evening covered roads, while strong winds caused blowing snow that significantly reduced visibility, making roads dangerously slippery. In response to hazardous conditions, road maintenance crews worked tirelessly to clear snow, and police used flashing lights to direct traffic, including rescuing stranded vehicles. Visibility on affected roads dropped to less than 50 meters, and temporary restrictions were imposed on large trucks traveling between Ili and Urumqi, the capital of Xinjiang, as heavy snow continued into the evening. Local authorities have been on high alert, ensuring public safety amid the severe weather. Bureau Report, NewsX World.